Man, I'm telling you, bro, they wasn't even in the party right, bro. They was in that bitch talking about something, bro. They was stiff as fuck, bro. They wasn't even got down. They was in that bitch like this. Burn over a carbon bean, knock your leg off. What's up, gang? Goddamn, what y'all got going on? I'm about to hit a little mutton bang in a minute, man. Y'all tap in. What's up? What's up, gang? I told y'all that mutton bang was coming. Got me a little fofo. Let's Sprite. Hold on. But you know, I can't start. This won't be a youngin video. This won't be a youngin video until I hit one of these. Let's get to the intro. So yeah, man, another video, huh? Can't believe it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was getting disturbed. I was getting discouraged. I ain't even wanted to drop this video. I ain't even want to drop this video. I was running around looking for a charger for my light. Let me show y'all how that works. This light right here, y'all probably can't even tell. It worked real good. It worked real good. Real good. The only thing is my camera wet. That's the only thing. Yeah, we about to roll. So what? We get drunk. So what? We smoke weed. Yeah, man. We just finna get into it. Catch up with y'all after I finish roll. I forgot to tell y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, look how he did that lickety split. Man, yeah, man. I stay smoking though, like for real. Like I stay high. Like anybody want to blow it with me, man? I gotta put my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram in this video. It's gonna be right there down there at the bottom. But look, man, you gotta break it down. I ain't playing no games with them. I'm telling you. But man, look, I was just riding around all yesterday. Cause this is matter of fact, this voiceover is the next morning. But I was riding around yesterday looking for a charger for that light. I was just talking about, and man, it was so stressful because they were trying to tax for a charger, but I ain't about to pay no $20 something for no just a cord, and that bitch on like 4 feet. Got like fucked up. That's how we do it. Yes, sir. Now let's get light. Yup. I had to get up, cut the light off real quick. You know, I know y'all be asking me. I know y'all probably be like, "What strain you be smoking? What strain he be smoking?" It don't be nothing but some regular ass bubble. Some regular ass bubble. So when I start smoking on, what I'm saying, strain. When I get a strain, y'all know, cause I tell y'all it's a strain. It's like a strain. But other than that, if I don't tell you what strain it is, it ain't nothing but some regular ass bubble. Yeah, I'll catch up with y'all. Alright, so now that that's over with, let's get to this vocal folk, y'all. Let me hit that one more time. You know, and yeah, man. When after I got my charger, I went to go get a 4 for 4. You know, cut the light on real quick. But yeah, man, I got a fofo, man. I was like, I was like, I ain't want to do nothing too big for y'all. I was just like, let me go get something slight. You feel me? Cause you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. When I get more viewers, I do more. You know what I'm saying. But right now, I just show a little. You know what I'm saying. Teasers. That's what I'm gonna call them. You know, I got my chicken nuggets and I have my fries. My fries right there. You know, and my chicken sandwich. Hold on, let me get my chicken sandwich. Yeah, this voiceover, by the way. And my chicken sandwich. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, it looked like they smashed my bread up. And looked like they just threw it on there. And they did. And they gave me too much lettuce. But, you know me, I ain't picky. I ain't picky. So, you know, I dive right into it. I wasn't playing no games. And I know them people that work up there. That's how I knew. Because there was some new people in there. And I already knew they was going to fuck my shit up some kind of way. And I be down, they smash my bread and ain't gave me too much lettuce. But watch this. Let me get the fuck. Man, right now I need me a butt naked hoe shaking ass, man. I'm telling you, man. Shaking all that ass. Oh my god. Man, fuck it. Back to the food and this music. It's about to get disgusting. I'm gonna throw up. Let me go and hit it one more time for y'all. And then I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Show a friend. You don't gotta show a bunch of people. Just show one person. That's all the love I need. Thank you. Have a good night. And the rest of your motherfucking life. Peace.
Hey yo, hey yo.
I ain't gonna lie, that wasn't enough, so I went and got more.